Hi guys, and welcome to another video. The new 2020 CF Moto 400NK Naked Street Fighter has been officially unveiled in the Philippines by its authorized distributor in the country, Motostrada. This CF Moto mid-size motorbike has become more and more popular among Filipino riders because of its power-packed features combined with affordability. The 2020 version of the CF Moto 400NK Naked Roadster has gotten even more appealing with impressive updates. In terms of appearance, the 400NK boasts a striking good looks courtesy of Kiska Studios, an Austrian design agency that also conceives designs for KTM motorcycles. For the 2020 model, the styling of the CF Moto 400NK has been slightly revised to feature a sharper fairings. The halogen headlight of the previous iteration has been ditched in favor of the fully LED lighting. The naked eye catcher also features an angularly shrouded sloping fuel tank, a step-up seat, an underbelly exhaust and designer decals on its body. Blackout alloy wheels complete its Street Fighter getup. The powertrain of the CF Moto 400NK has not changed. It still sports the 400.4cc parallel twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected gasoline engine that thumbs out 41 horsepower of peak output at 9,500 RPM and a 32 Nm of maximum torque at 7,750 RPM. This figures gives the motorbike enough punch to go to at the top speed around 170 kph. Compared with some bigger bikes, the CF Moto 400NK has smooth and linear power delivery, making it ideal for first-time big bike riders. The engine's fuel injection technology comes from Bosch. Power-to-weight ratio is good with the bike's curved weight of 206 kg. And its 17-liter fuel tank allows the long-distance riding without having to stop at a pump station every now and then. The Naked Roadster's suspension layout remains the same as that of its predecessor, telescopic forks up front and a monoshock at the back, with the suspension components manufactured by KYB. Stopping power is taken care of by J1 with twin pedal-type rotors at the front and a single disc brake at the back. Continental anti-lock braking system provides an additional safety net. The CF Moto 400NK packs a digital instrument cluster for better access and readability of important information to riders, such as fuel information, gear level, speed and engine revs. With a retail price of 219,800 pesos, the CF Moto 400NK can be purchased from all Motostrada dealerships with two available colorways of Athens Blue and Nebula White. This price point gives the CF Moto Roadster a competitive edge among mid-size big bikes, especially for the impressive features that it brings to the table. In markets like the Philippines, where the cost is still a factor for many riders in obtaining high-capacity big bikes, the 2020 CF Moto 400NK is a very good alternative. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.